Check out this convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking car, 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. You'll see it badged up as a 442. A little tough to tell on the 65s if they're true. It does appear that it has the correct frame for a 442. I would consider this car more into the Restomod category of things, and it is nicely done. Attention to detail is over the top on this one. And we're going to get into a few of those things as we walk around. Check this out. First of all, underneath the hood. Now has a 455 that has been rebuilt in it. Great looking engine bay, and we'll check that out towards the end of the video. 455 is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, 4-wheel disc power brakes. AC, vintage AC system. AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up here. Great looking body style in this Oldsmobile. All right, still pictures. You'll be able to see the interior, engine bay, trunk, undersides. Definitely check out the undersides. Unbelievable on this car, just as clean as the top. It has had a frame off restoration, and those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you to our website. Of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, the red line radial tires, US Mags polished wheels. Look at the shine coming off that bright work. Wow. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side. We'll get into some more of the details on this car. You can see these panels. They are as straight as an arrow. This paint looks as good in person as it does this video and the pictures. It was put on there right, no doubt about that. So kind of a, I'd say a dark gray metallic, charcoal metallic with this red interior center console for that shifter. Does have an aftermarket stereo, a little gauge cluster. We'll get into that in a second. I'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. The tag you see hanging from the convertible top switch, it's a little reminder. It does have a glass rear window in the top. Unzip that where you put the top down. We will put the top up and down so you can see that work also. Nice black fabric top on this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust, does have Flowmasters on it, and that is a true dual exhaust. Coming around to the rear, does have QA1 adjustable shocks, coilovers in the back. 323 rear gears. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Definitely take a look at the undersides in the trunk, engine bay, interior. If you like 442s and maybe Oldsmobiles in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that either online or right off our showroom floor. As we look down that driver's side, you can see just as nice as the passenger side. Reflection, cars behind me. Nice shine to that paint. And again, those panels as straight as an arrow. This one will not disappoint, folks. Guarantee you this one will bring home some trophies. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. I have the protective carpeting in here right now. You'll be able to see the carpeting that's underneath it in the still pictures. It's like new. Door panels look good. As you can see, seating surfaces also like new. Nicely restored car, and again, the attention to detail is over the top on this one. All right, I'm gonna grab the key here. Like I said, a little bit of a Restomod feel to it. That 4-speed. It does have a sniper Holly system, so this is fuel injected. Let that pressurize. Hit the switch and boom. Doesn't take anything, just like a modern car. Oh, and listen to this. All right, we're in neutral. Vintage air controls. AC blows cold. Little aftermarket gauge cluster for oil pressure. You see that? Voltmeter. That was a cold start when it's been kept to be up. Tack working. Stereo also works. Nicely done. Stereo speakers down the kick panels. There's also some in the rear of the car. I mentioned that's just a little note. Power top. And again, I'll show you that going up and down. Top of the dash looking good. I don't know if you noticed, the clock's also working. And fuel gauge. Door closes nicely. Wow. Listen to this. Again, rebuilt 455 4-speed. When we pop this hood, you're going to notice it does have a HEI ignition, also a CVF serpentine belt system on it. Let me pause it. Let's get this hood open. Alright, underside of the hood, hood liner, looking good. And check this engine bay out. So aluminum radiator. HEI ignition you see in the back, power steering, power brakes. Edelbrock RPM intake manifold looks like there. AC compressor. It's a beauty, no doubt about that. Engine bay looks as good as the rest of the car. All right, let me pause this one more time. We're going to get the convertible top up so you can check out the condition of that. You'll be able to see it go up and back down, and then stick around to the very end. You want to see this car get driven, go down the road, take a virtual ride, if you will. I'll get that rear window zipped up and we'll check out the convertible top. And the convertible top up. So, nice tight fit above the windshield. Black fabric top. Nice quality fabric too. What you'd expect in a car with this much detail to it. And as you can see, side glass also rolled up. Tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have darkness wise. No rips, tears, or holes. I mean, the top looks like it's new. Glass rear window. Suggest unzipping that on a nice tight top like this when you put it down. So we're going to do it. And I will show you the top going back down too at the end here. If you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it drives out. And once again, a nice tight fit above the windshield. Fabric in great shape. Gorgeous 1965 Oldsmobile convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And like I said, stick around. I'll show you the top going back down. And then Jason's going to take this thing for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This car is a convertible. We do have the top up today. 4 on the floor manual transmission. Tachometer mounted down by that shifter. Very cool look. JBL audio. That you can hook your Bluetooth device to. That's working good, sounding good. Waiting for a little traffic. Nice red and black interior on this car. Matching well to that sort of a gunmetal gray paint. Looks really good together. Fun to shift. Nice clutch, nice shifting. And very good acceleration. Definitely power upgraded in this car. Wipers work, the blower motor works. We've got vintage air controls right here blending in nicely to the dash. Original looking vinyl bucket seats in this car, very comfortable. Top is in very nice condition. Seals very well against the glass for the most part. I'm not getting a whole lot of wind noise. Speakers in the kick panels down below, that'll help with the audio quality. Our fuel gauge is reading 3/4 of a tank. This is clock equipped and it is counting with the second hand, so it's running. Speedometer is working as it should. Our oil pressure, as we're idling here to a stop, is 40 psi and the volts are 14 and the temperature is 175 degrees. We'll go down to first gear. Nice sounding exhaust. Another one of those cars that makes you want to just play with the throttle and hear that tone change. Very nice. Oldsmobile 442. Take a look at all the pictures of this convertible at uniqueclassiccars.com.